All right, so we're going to unbox and hook up this wireless keyboard, the CK211 wireless keyboard. Nice little Medusa looking logo there, and that's the keys. Kind of same on the back, CK211 wireless keyboard. And they have a black and white version. This is the black. Please open here. Special thanks to the company for sending this to me to do an unboxing and show you guys what comes in this. So let's cut this seal here. It's funny, I just realized I opened it on the opposite side from where it told me to. Slide this on out. A very thin keyboard. Nothing else down in the box. Oh, user's manual. Always gotta have a little user's manual. I don't know why you need that, but there's the keyboard. And on the back here, look at that, they even put you a little sticker, USB receiver. So that way you know your USB receiver goes right here where you have to put for the one AA battery. Wow. So one AA battery, that's sadly not included. So we'll get a AA battery, we'll get that in here, and then we'll set up this keyboard on my Plex server, and I'll show you guys how it works. All right, so a little more about this keyboard. It is full-sized, all 104 keys. It does work on Mac and Windows, and it should be completely plug and play with my Windows PC here. Turn it over and get out our dongle that's in the bottom, the receiver. And then we just need one AA battery to slide in here. Check. So we'll take our battery and slide in like so. Pop our back on. And also it has the little flaps here to give it that angle. And even a nice little resting pad. So all I should have to do is take this receiver, plug it in to my computer right here, and it just set up the device. So now if I hit my Windows key, boom, I am in. We are typing. There we go. Very nice keyboard. As you just saw, super simple setup. Can't complain a bit. Too big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.